This video will teach you the basics of making a video using the Clips app. Let's go! First, you want to find the Clips app on your iPad. If you don't have it, install it from the kiosk. When you open Clips, click the squares in the top left corner and select New Project. To add a photo, click the photo icon on the right side of the screen. Select Photos and choose a photo that you have saved in your camera roll. Make sure that it's formatted to fit the screen. If not, take a screenshot of it. Click Preview and Record. To record your photo, you have to hold down the pink button. If you don't do this, it won't be inserted into your Clips project. If you want to add voiceover, you need to speak while you're recording. After you record your photo, you should see a thumbnail of it at the bottom of the screen. You can also add videos to your project. Take a screen recording or save a video to your photos. Click the picture icon, and then select your video. You can either click Preview and Record. Make sure you do this if you want to add voiceover on top of your video, or click Add to Project to insert the entire video. Click on the thumbnail of the video to edit it. I'm going to trim this one so it's not as long. Click Done when you have the video edited how you like. Let's go back and insert another photo. Click Done, tap the photo icon, and select the photo that you would like to record. Click Preview and Record your photo again. You can also swipe the pink button to the left instead of holding it down the entire time that you want to record. Click the thumbnail of the photo to do things like add effects or mute the background audio. If you don't have voiceover on your photo, I suggest that you tap mute so that you don't have any background noise in your video. You can add things like labels, stickers, emojis, and even live titles, which are automatic subtitles on your video. You can edit the text of the subtitles in case they're not correct. Add a title to your project by using a poster. Tap the photo icon, this time select Posters, and scroll through and choose the option that you want. You can edit the text on a poster to say whatever you'd like it to say. Tap the text to edit it and then click Apply. Make sure you hold down the pink button to record your poster the same way that you recorded a photo. You can use voiceover on a poster as well. Reorder your clips by dragging the thumbnails at the bottom of the screen. Let's put our title poster at the beginning of the video. Add music to your project by clicking the music note in the top right corner and then clicking Soundtracks. Choose a song from any genre, click on it to preview it, and then click the back arrow to add this to your video. Preview your video by pressing the play button in the bottom left corner. Next week is Service Learning Day. We're having a Spirit Week all week long to lead up to Service Learning Day on Friday.
Being here at the Healthy Young Athletes event means that I'm a part of something that...
Make sure you show your support of the Special Olympics and Service Learning Day by participating in Spirit Week all week long. To save your video, click the sharing arrow in the bottom right corner and select Save Video. This will download a copy of your video to your photos. From there, you can airdrop or submit your video as needed.